Hello lovely people, how are we all doing? We having a good day? I think we are. It's Christmas! I'm literally so excited that Christmas is so close now. For me, Christmas is all about seeing my family, eating lots of yummy food, and it's definitely the time of year where I put more effort into my appearance. So today, my friends, I thought we would do a little get ready with me for Christmas. Whether you're going to a party, whether you're lounging at home but you want to feel a bit more glam, simple but Christmas vibes. Without further ado, I need to get some makeup on this boat race because I ain't looking too cute, am I? So I'm going to put a stop to me Christmas rambles. Let's get on with it. This video is actually in collaboration with CYO. CYO are a makeup brand that I discovered fairly recently and I love their vibe. Their vibe is me in a nutshell. Their makeup is simple, affordable. Sometimes I feel like the world of makeup can be really overwhelming. Like, hun, I don't know what your brush is called. It's makeup that you can easily fit into your life so you can just get on with it and live your best life. Do you know what I mean? Which leads me on with a very smooth transition. I just want to let you guys know that if you spend £8 on any CYO products in Boots online or in store, you will receive a free Skinny Dip makeup bag, which says living my best life. Wasn't that smooth? That was a good transition, give me that. So I'm going to be doing a full face of CYO. I haven't used some of these products before, so it's a bit of a first impressions. They very kindly sent me some of these products and I have bought some of these products. The first thing I'm going to be using is the primer. This is the Matte and Blur primer. Whack this on there. Oh, this looks very matte. This is very me. My skin is quite dry, but I'm always shiny. Like, can you not? I'm not a Christmas bauble. Sorted. Oh, I forgot to wet me sponge. Be right back. Sorry, don't mind me. Okay, I'm back. And my next step is foundation. The foundation I picked up is the matte foundation because it says no shine zone, and that's the zone I want to be in. I wasn't sure which shade to get, but I've got a fake tan on. As you can see, my face is not the same colour as my hand. I live 90% of my life like this. I've gone for a bit of a darker shade. I'm a little bit nervous about it, but we're gonna try and make it work. Oh, that's not a bad shade match at all. Shouldn't have doubted myself. So far, I'm liking the feel of this foundation. It doesn't feel too heavy, but look at this coverage. Literally amazing. My skin isn't the best right now. When I eat a lot of chocolate, I get some spots on my chin. I've got a few spots on my chin because I've had the Galaxy out. But this has covered them up like a dream. In case anyone is wondering, I am using the shade 211. 211, my friends. Next up, we've got a bit of concealer. So I picked up two different concealers. I got this stick one and I got this highlighting concealer. This is a brightening concealer and I need that for my under eye bags. But first of all, I'm going to start off with the stick and put this on all my little bits that need concealing. Get it on my chocolate spots. Cover up those bad boys, hide all my chocolate sins. The only thing that I'm not too keen on is having to use your fingers because I don't know about anyone else, but I just find with a brush it doesn't really work, and with a sponge it doesn't really work. I think I'm just being a bit of a princess, to be honest with you. Now I'm going to put this brightening concealer under my eyes. It's one of them that you click the bottom and it comes out the brush at the top. Absolutely magical. I got both the concealers in the shade medium. Next up, I'm going with bronzer. So this is the contour kit in the shade Fair. Not sure why I've gone for the shade Fair now I think about it. Never mind, we'll work with it. So in here you get a highlight and a contour. Although in fairness, it looks like a really nice colour. It looks like a nice coloured bronzer, not too orange. Oh, it's quite a nice subtle contour. This will be good actually because I can use this all over my face and then I'll darken it to contour. I want to look like I've been sitting in that winter sun that England doesn't have. Next up, I've got a little powder blush. So this is in the shade Tell It Straight. Wow, you only need a really little bit of this. And it's got a shimmer in it, which I love in a blush. I love a little blushed glow. I'm going to wait and do my highlight in a little while. The next step I'm going to do is brows. Today I've gone for the brow kit in the shade Fair Medium, and I'm intrigued by this because in here there is like a creamy brow product, which is what I usually use, and there's a powder, a highlight for under your brows, and also a brow pencil. I'm going to go for the creamy one, maybe with a little bit of the powder as well. So far I've only used the creamy waxy product. I'm going to use a little bit of the powder on the inner part of my brow just because I didn't want to go too heavy. Do you know what? It's a pretty good brow day today. I'm now going to take the CYO brow and lash gel. Let's keep them in place while they're looking alright. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for my next trick. Next up, I'm going to do eyeshadow. I've got this eyeshadow palette called Rainbow Warrior. Then I have this individual eyeshadow, which is a Crush on Metal shadow. This is in the shade Cooey. And then I also have this Pigment Paints Made to Mix eyeshadow. I'm going to put this on the top for a bit of shimmer, a bit of Christmas glam. And this is in the shade Rose Gold. So I'm going for a pinky kind of look today. Not only are there normal eyeshadows, there is also an eyeshadow primer. These two are cream eyeshadows and this up here is a highlighter. So first of all, I'm going to take a bit of the primer and prime my eyelids. Something I don't usually do because I don't usually have a primer, but it's right here. I think I'm actually going to start by using the individual shadow on my outer corners because it's actually quite a dark shade. It's like a nice bronzy shade. Next up, I'm going to use this really light pink shade in my inner corners. I'm going to blend these two shades together a little bit with this shade. I just feel like that's probably the right thing to do. And now for the big reveal, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to use the pigment paint mix kind of like in the middle of my lid. I'm going to use a bit of this really light shade to lighten up my inner corners a little bit more. Eyeshadow pretty much complete. I'm now going to move on to eyeliner. The one that I've picked up is the Just Wing It felt tip eyeliner. It's always so hard to get the plastic off eyeliner. Come on babes, you got this. The next thing I'm actually going to do, which is going to seem a little bit of a weird step to do now, but I'm going to powder. I'm feeling a little bit shiny and I want to sort that out. So this is the matte pressed powder in the shade Fair, and it comes in one of these little things. I haven't used one of these for years, so I'm going to try it out again. I think these little things are underrated. Imagine if this wasn't actually a sponge and it was just like part of the packaging. I think it's a sponge. Oh well, I'm using it now. Next up, I'm going to highlight using this highlight palette in the shade In the Clouds. I love the look of these. I'm kind of going to just mix them together. Oh my god, look at that. This looks just like the highlighter I usually use, which was a lot more expensive than this one. Look at that cute nose highlight. Oh my god, I love this. This is probably, I'm gonna say it, my favourite product yet. This is so nice. Next up, we have mascara. I'm not gonna go for false lashes today because we're keeping it simple. We're keeping this an easy Christmas look. The mascara I'm using is the Volume Mascara. This is called the Thick of It. I wanna go for some thick, long, voluminous lashes. With mascara complete, we are almost finished, but I'm now going to do my lips. So today I'm going to use the lipstick and liner. So you get your lipstick, your liner, pretty self-explanatory. This is in the shade Rainmaker. I love this colour. It's such a nice like nude. It's a little bit pinky but not too pink. But I'm now going to switch to the lipstick end. Oh, I'm a big fan. And then the final step for my makeup is I'm going to use the fixing spray. This is called Set to Last. I love this makeup look. I love that it's quite like a natural glam. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, now that my makeup's complete, I'm going to move on to my hair and then we're going to pick a Christmas party outfit. Woo! I've decided today I'm gonna curl it. So I've got my curlers here. These are the Lee Stafford. I'll leave a link down below. I haven't curled my hair for a really long time, so I'm excited about this, but also a little bit nervous. Don't forget your heat spray. Safety first, kids. Got my heat-proof glove as well because I always burn myself. Let's go. I feel well sassy with this glove on. Ain't no one messing with me today. Okay, so the initial curl is complete. I'm nowhere near done. I'm now going to take my straighteners and straighten the ends to make it look a bit more casual. And I'm also going to sort out this lot. I always comb through my curls with my fingers and sometimes my hairbrush as well. I just think brushed out looks so much better. Also, one of you guys told me this little tip about straightening the ends. And that, my friends, is curly hair complete. I'm now gonna choose that outfit. Always my favourite part. Although I probably should have planned this before I filmed because I literally have no idea what I'm about to put on my body. So guys, I don't currently have any invites to any Christmas parties. Story of my life. However, if a Christmas party came up tomorrow, I think this is the outfit I would go for. These trousers are from, just looking in the label, they're from I Saw It First. And then I just paired them with this little black bandana bandeau top. It's just plain black, but I think it looks cute with these trousers. And this is from Boohoo. Then my cute little shaggy cardigan is from I Saw It First. I will leave all these items linked in the description down below. I've got some little black heels on. Any black heels would be fine with this outfit. And then my bag is this white and silver one from Accessorize, but I got this a few years ago. Also, these trousers elasticated, so you'd find me at the Christmas buffet. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. I feel like I want to go out to a party now, but it's actually 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so that's good. Don't forget to check out CYO's makeup products and you can bag yourself one of these free Skinny Dip makeup bags. There's a link in the description to find out more information about that and to check out all CYO's products. But for now, I hope you are all enjoying the start of the festive season. I hope you're getting your Christmas trees up. I hope you've had a few mince pies. I definitely have. Do subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!